How to make sushi, an easy guide cooking sushi with Ben. First of all, you need to make the rice. So what do you need? A medium-sized mug, a small metal sieve, a heavy-bottomed pan, some rice vinegar, sugar and salt. Measure out 2 cups of rice. This will make approximately 5 to 6 thick sushi rolls. Next, wash out the rice under lukewarm water until the liquid runs clear. Put the rice in a heavy-bottomed pan and fill it with cold water about ½ an inch above the rice level. Now heat up the pan on a full heat. Remember, do not take the lid off at any point. Once the water has boiled, turn the heat down to a minimum heat and leave for 15 minutes. Once the timer has finished, leave the pan for another 15 minutes without taking the lid off the heat. While the rice is cooling, measure out 1/4 cup of sugar, 125 milliliters of Japanese rice vinegar and a pinch of salt. Combine these in a saucepan and heat. Stir the mixture while it is being heated until the mixture is clear again. This may take some time. Do not cook this too fast, or the rice vinegar may burn against the side of the pan. Now that the mixture is clear, take off the heat and put it in a jug. Get out an untarnished wooden bowl, preferably. Place the rice in the wooden bowl. If there is any burnt bits at the bottom of your pan or very sticky rice, exclude these as they may change the taste of the sushi. Add 3/4 of your sushi rice mixture to the rice and mix well. Allow the rice to cool while covered with cling film to trap the moisture. Once the rice has cooled, season to taste with any extra salt, pepper or rice vinegar. When preparing the avocado, make sure you cut it down the middle. Remove the skin and take out the stone. This avocado must be perfectly ripe to be used in sushi. Make an indentation across the top of the avocado exactly halfway. Then create a piece that goes either side of this. This should be about 1 centimeter thick. Continue to cut the avocado across with the same sized pieces. Repeat this with the other avocado. When using cucumber, slice off both ends. Once this is done, measure the cucumber against a slice of nori to see what size it should be. The cucumber should be slightly shorter from both ends from the nori. Next, peel the cucumber and slice it in half. Once the cucumber is cut, with a spoon, scrape out the seeds. These pieces, if anything, should be slightly thinner than the avocado. Now for the fish. The fish should be purchased at a Japanese shop and is usually cut about 1 centimeter by 1.5 centimeters. If you purchase it from a normal fish shop, it must be sushi grade fish. To prepare for rolling, lay out all your ingredients you are going to use. I have chosen tuna, cucumber and avocado. Lightly flavour some lukewarm water with some sushi rice vinegar. Also, have a small pot with a small amount of pure rice vinegar. And of course, your nori. Lay the nori out flat on your rolling board. The shiny side should be down, and the grooves going along the nori should be the same direction as the rolls of the bamboo mat. Now you are ready to start rolling. First of all, dab your hands in the lukewarm cup of water. Then take a handful of sushi rice and spread it across your nori. To begin with, dab your hands in the water. This will make sure that no sushi rice sticks to your fingers. Grab a lump of sushi rice, roll it in your palm and put it down onto the nori. Push it around the nori, flattening it down. Every time you take another ball of nori, dab your hands into the water, to the rice, and again. Once you have flattened out rice all over the nori, take your filling. This will be a tuna and avocado piece of sushi. If the avocado has an arc in it, cut off across the line to make it a straight piece. When you have filled the line with avocado, take the top of the bamboo mat. Roll it over until you have made one complete circle. Then pull this backwards and lift up the bamboo mat. Continue doing this until you have got to the edge of the mat. Before you complete the nori, you must add some rice vinegar to the edge to seal the sushi like an envelope. Once you have applied the rice vinegar, roll over and pull tight. Once the sushi has been rolled into the bamboo mat, place it down and attempt to make it into a square shape. This will help the rice stick. Apply sushi vinegar along the side of the blade of a very sharp knife. Cut off the ends and place the seam of the sushi on the bottom. Then cut pieces about 1 centimetre thick. When you get to the end, discard the bottom part of the sushi. Repeat with all the other sushi that you make. How to make sushi, an easy guide cooking sushi with Ben.